Hi guys, I'm at the factory here and I thought it'd be a good chance just to show you a quick video of how we've got the 1600 production line progressing, being set up, because we are increasing our production tempo. We are building our team here as we're getting set up in this new factory. Just flip it around so we can see more boats and less of me. So down the back here we've got the mould. You can actually see that's the deck mould there, and then right behind it is the hull mould. Then we've got a boat that goes into our assembly stage, and our production cycle has typically been 16 weeks, and we're just moving that to a 12-week cycle. So we start a boat and launch a boat every 12 weeks. Coming through here we've got our fit out 1 stage and our fit out 2 stage, and then down the back here we've actually got a boat that's finished, but we're just waiting for for launch to happen. So let me just show up here. So we've got 571, 572, 573, 574, and then 575 in the mould.